If you're seeing the Yahoo Mail too many attempts, try again. Later error, don't worry because in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when Yahoo temporarily blocks login attempts after too many sign-in tries, suspicious activity, or browser issues. The good news is that in most cases you can resolve it without losing access to your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. First, the most important thing is to stop trying to log in for a while. I know that sounds simple, but repeated attempts can keep the lockout active. In some cases, you may need to wait at least 1 hour, and in more stubborn cases, it can take up to 24 hours before Yahoo allows another login attempt. While you wait, do not keep refreshing the page or trying over and over again, because that can make the issue last longer. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes interfere with Yahoo's sign-in process and make the error keep coming back. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached files and cookies for Yahoo Mail. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. If the error is still there, try logging in using a different browser. For example, if you were using Chrome, switch to Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Sometimes the problem is not your Yahoo account itself, but a browser extension or stored session that is causing the block. Using another browser gives you a clean start and can help you get back into your inbox faster. Another useful step is to restart your device. Whether you're on a computer, phone, or tablet, restarting can clear temporary network or session problems that may be affecting the login process. After restarting, try Yahoo Mail again and see if the error has cleared. You should also switch to a different internet connection if possible. If you're on home Wi-Fi, try using mobile data or another network. Sometimes Yahoo may flag a connection as unusual, especially if your IP address has changed frequently, or if your current network is causing repeated failed requests. Changing the connection can help reset that pattern. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can sometimes make Yahoo think you are signing in from a suspicious location, which can trigger the too many attempts message. Disable the VPN lines completely, then try logging in again with your normal connection. If you still cannot get in, wait a bit longer and try these steps again in order. The main idea is to give Yahoo time to lift the temporary restriction while also removing anything on your side that could be causing the login attempts to fail. Once the wait period is over, use a clean browser session, a stable connection, and no VPN. That combination solves the issue for many users. So to quickly recap, stop trying to sign in for at least 1 to 24 hours, clear your caches and cookies, try a different browser, restart your device, switch internet connections, and disable any VPN. Those are the best first fixes for the Yahoo Mail. Too many attempts, try again, later error. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting videos, and leave a comment if you want help with another Yahoo Mail problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.